people are still saying that we're extremely early in the movement of the NFTs. But the real question is, are we really? In order to answer this question, we must know what exactly is an NFT and are they here to stay? Are they a great investment? Are they a fad? Or are they the greatest scam of our generation? But not to worry, because in this video, I'm going to explain everything you must know about an NFT. Hey guys, my name's Thiago. I'm super excited. Welcome to the first ever crypto segment. In this channel, we talk business, personal finance, and lifestyle. And I teach you guys practical tips and tricks on how to get ahead in life. So if you guys like stuff like this, make sure you subscribe. NFTs have revolutionized the digital art space, and they have transformed the lives of digital artists. There have been pixilated art like this that have sold for millions. What makes these pieces so valuable? Well, first, let me explain what an NFT is. Let's start with the basics. What does NFT stand for? NFT stands for non-fungible tokens. I laugh every time I say that. I don't know why. Non-fungible is just another fancy term for not interchangeable. Take this for example, a Picasso painting. There's a ton of different copies of Picasso paintings being distributed around the world, but there's only one that's unique. Or take another example, a perfectly rated PSA 10 Pokemon card. For my Pokemon fans out there. Fungible items, on the other hand, are interchangeable. Again, I think it just sounds dirty. I'm sorry, that's my dark humor playing in. So the example of fungible is, take for example a $100 bill. Now we can exchange this for 5 $20 bills or another $100 bill. Either way, it's interchangeable. Now, NFTs are tokens that represent ownership in a specific item. They let us tokenize things like art, collectibles, or even real estate. These assets are secured by the Ethereum blockchain. They cannot be replicated, and they can only have one single user. NFTs allow for the digitalization of assets. That's a mouthful right there. Hopefully I said it right. The crypto world has opened many doors of opportunities in today's day and age by creating ownership like these NFTs. With this, we can show proof of ownership, and we can have the ability to exchange our assets with no repercussions. Take for example a music file. Let's say you go onto iTunes, you buy a song. Now, you cannot resell that song. You can try to get permission to resell, but that's going to be very, very difficult. It's probably not going to happen. You can't give that song away, and you can't record and distribute that song because that's pirating. You can get arrested, or you can get charged and have to pay severe legal fees on that. Now, you might look at this and say, isn't that good? Well, here's the thing. The original owner only can distribute that song one time. And they only make money once they sell that song to iTunes or whatever music company that's paying them. But once I buy that song, they're not making money anymore. I'm not making money. Let's say if I don't want to listen to that song anymore and I want to give it back, I can't return that song. And because of this, it closes the door on everybody making money. They lose out on royalties. And stay tuned to this video, because I'm going to talk more about royalties further down in this video. Now that you know what an NFT is, let's talk about how an NFT works. Now, an NFT gives us the ability to claim ownership over a single piece of asset like this. Now, once an NFT is created, it can be minted to be unique using a smart contract. Now, an NFT can only have one ownership at a time. This ownership is managed by a unique ID or metadata. Jesus, that was a tough one. Now, the smart contracts are used to verify the ownership and transferability of these NFTs. Now, let's go into scarcity. If you're the initial creator of a piece of an NFT, you can decide how many pieces are going to be created and how many pieces are going to be in circulation. Now, let me give you an example just so you guys know what I'm talking about. Let's say you create an NFT for a event ticket. So you can create the general admission ticket, you can make hundreds, even thousands, but you're only going to make a few event tickets for the VIP section because these are considered premium. Or if you decide to make art, you can make each individual piece scarce. You could just make one. Now, regardless of which one you choose to make or how many you make, this will be public information so that people who are buying these know. Now, let's go back and talk about royalties. Now, earlier in this video, I mentioned that the creator of the original NFT can earn royalties. Now, again, let's go back to that example that I was talking about, that song that you bought from iTunes. If that song was an NFT, once the original owner sold their rights over to somebody else and you bought that song, you could then have the permission to resell that NFT, that song. You would make money for whatever you sold that song for, and the original owner would benefit because they would be making a percentage in royalties from that original music. So again, it's a win-win situation for everybody. Money starts flowing, it adds to the economy, and things start going up. Not like it's right now because milk costs, milk is ridiculous. Some places are selling milk for $4. What's going on? And again, remember, the song is going to be unique. It can't be copied because all of the data is going to be stored in the smart contracts. Now, here's a good question. How can you buy these NFTs? Now, I can make a whole other separate video on how to buy an NFT and go step by step and show you guys how to do it. If you guys want me to do that, drop me a comment down below and I will do that. But in a nutshell, basically, in order for you to buy an NFT, you will need to have Ethereum in your virtual wallet. You will also need to go in a market like OpenSea.io, search for which NFT you want to buy. Once you find the one you want to buy, just follow the instructions on the site, buy that NFT, and now you have a piece of digital art or whatever you're buying. Now that you know what an NFT is and how to get an NFT, let me talk about my take on an NFT. Now, I believe NFTs are not a scam. Can you wash money with NFTs? Of course you can, but so can you in so many other ways. An NFT is worth whatever worth people give to it. It's perceived value. It's whatever you want to pay for that specific piece or that specific asset that you're buying. Same thing goes for physical art. If you want to buy a Picasso, it's worth whatever you're willing to pay and whatever the person that's selling it is willing to take. Now, I think this is a great idea because it adds on a whole other layer of protection in our asset, and it actually verifies that whatever we are selling, it's original. And again, it simplifies the way we transfer, the way we sell, and we can make royalties on top of what we're producing. Now, I talked enough. I want to know what you guys think about NFTs. Do you guys like them? Do you guys hate them? Do you guys think it is a scam? I want to know. Drop me a comment in this comment section below. Let's start a discussion. And again, hey, one thing here before I go on. Guys, I looked at my analytics. I'm kind of disappointed. 100% of the people that are watching my videos, unless the YouTube metrics are rigged, are guys. So we have a sausage fest going on, guys. We got to change this. Where are the girls at? I'm sure you're out there. Drop me a comment down below. Let's open up this demographic. Let's the women come in here and talk about finance and crypto. Okay, guys. Anyways, let's go back to this topic. So also another thing I want to say is that if you guys like these types of videos, crypto videos, and want me to make more, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, because anytime that I make a brand new video, you guys will be the first to know. If you guys have been here till now, what I'm going to do is drop some videos so you guys can binge watch. Guys, it's been great. Till next time.